Hey guys, Dr. Matt with a how-to video on properly using your Waterpik to keep your gum tissue and teeth clean. So in this video, we wanted to show you how to use a Waterpik flosser. This device works great at keeping the tooth surface, the gum tissue clean. The key to it working properly is angling the tip. So with this product, you want to basically follow the gum line all the way around and in between the teeth across the entire mouth. At the same time, it helps to keep your lips just slightly open, and that will prevent water from tending to spray out all over the bathroom. Following the gum line will keep your gum tissue healthy and also plaque off the teeth. It can also be used in conjunction with floss, just makes the process much easier.